Now Ashapower has also launched a high quality solar charge controller in the budget segment, and it comes with the same MPPT technology that is available in all of their solar charge controllers and solar PCU. We have been using their solar charge controllers for around 5 to 6 years, and recently we have also made many videos about them. You may have already watched those videos. We have even tested all of their solar charge controllers, and this is their newly launched Nova 30. We also covered it at the REI Expo, but now we are going to review it practically. Along with that, we will also connect a solar panel and show you how it works. Many people also ask this question: how can we connect a 24-volt solar panel to a single battery? That means if you have a 12-volt battery, how can you connect a 24-volt solar panel to it? So this is the solution. With its help, you can easily connect even a large solar panel to a single battery. But if you want to install more solar panels, they also have a wide range of solar charge controllers. You can choose any solar charge controller according to your requirement. We have already set up the solar panel. Now we are going to connect it to the controller and test whether it works properly or not. We will also see how much power it can generate. Although today there are a lot of clouds coming again and again. This has been happening for almost 2 days. I was waiting for clear weather, but the weather did not become clear. Still, today I am going to test it. We will check whatever wattage it generates. We will also keep some time gap. If there is no sunlight now, then when the sunlight becomes stronger later, we will shoot again. This solar panel is 550 watt. Its VOC is 50 volts and our controller supports up to 60 volts VOC. So it can easily support this panel. Now let us quickly make the connections and show whether it works or not. We have placed the controller here. Our battery is on that side. The inverter wires that normally connect to the battery have been removed for now. Usually, the inverter wires are connected to the battery's positive and negative terminals. The two wires coming from the battery need to be connected to the controller first. As you can see, these two wires are from the battery and the other wires are from the solar panel. First, we connect the battery. Then we connect the solar panel. So let us see how the connection is made. First, we need to connect the battery wires. Then we will connect the solar panel. The positive wire goes here. The negative wire goes here. So first, let us connect the positive wire. As soon as the wire is connected, you can hear a beep sound. At the same time, the display turns on. Now, it is scanning the battery to detect its voltage because it supports both 12 volt and 24 volt systems. But we have only one battery. So now it will operate as a 12 volt system. Next, we will connect the solar panel and you will see how easily it charges a 12 volt battery using a 24 volt solar panel. As soon as the solar panel is connected, charging start. As you can see, the LED is glowing. Now let us check how much power we are getting from the solar panel. Our battery is charging at 12 amps. The solar panel is providing only 4.5 amps. Still, because of MPPT technology, it increases the current and charges the battery efficiently. We are getting 140 watts from the solar panel. There is very little sunlight outside. That is why even from our 550 watt panel, we are getting only 140 watts. But despite that, the controller is charging the battery perfectly at 12 amps. We will also show you how many amps it charges when the sunlight becomes stronger. Now the sunlight has become stronger. Let us see how much power it is generating. As you can see, charging is happening at 30 amps. The solar panel is providing 12 amps, but your battery is charging at 30 amps. That is the benefit of MPPT technology. And we have started getting 377 watts. So you have seen that it can very easily charge your 12 volt battery using a 24 volt solar panel. And if you use it with a single battery, meaning a 12 volt system, then you can connect solar panels up to 700 watts. In 700 watts, you can either connect two 325 watt panels or you can connect a single solar panel of up to 700 watts. On a 24 volt system, it can support solar panels up to 1400 watts. You can easily connect two 700 watt panels or you can also connect two 620 watt panels. Talking about the price, currently it is available for around 5,800 rupees. And if you want to purchase it, you can buy it from their authorized dealer or distributor. If you still have any questions or suggestions about it, then comment in the video comment box. If you like the video, then like and share it. Also, subscribe to our channel. And after subscribing, make sure to press the bell icon so that you keep getting similar videos from time to time. Thank you.